Once your fertility clinic has explained to you the 4 options for these frozen leftover embryos, you will be required to sign all the consent forms before starting your IVF treatment. The most commonly chosen destination for the leftover embryos is obviously being frozen for later use. Any embryos in storage have to undergo a renewal of consent. For example, in the UK, every 5 years, the clinic will need to contact you to get your consent that they can keep your embryos in storage. In Spain, this will happen every 2 years. One of the problems that we have in assisted reproduction with the leftover embryos is that people are not renewing their consent for storage. After they have finished their IVF process, their IVF journey, maybe they have their family and don't respond to the communications from the clinic about the fate of the embryos they have in storage. In the United States, this is a very controversial issue as more and more embryos are being found in storage. And the question is what to do with these leftover human embryos. In the UK and Spain, if the renewal of consent is not signed, the embryos will eventually go for destruction.